Hi everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Jennifer. I'm a tutor at the Garcia Center and I attend Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. Today I'm going to be going over some math for students ages 9 through 10 which are in 3rd and 4th grade. For more videos like this, make sure to join us on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12:30 p.m. I hope you guys enjoy. Today we're going to get started with grade 3 and 4, comparing decimals. We need to compare the decimals with the greater than symbol, less than symbol, or equal symbol. So let's look at number 1. So here we have 0.8 and 1.2. So is 0.8 greater than 1.2? Or is it less than 1.2? 0.8 is less than 1.2. And why is that? So if we look at the first digit before the decimal, we have 0 and 1. 0 is less than 1. So now let's look at number 2. We have 5 and 0.2. So is 5 less than 0.2 or is it greater? It is greater. So 5 is greater than 0.2. And why is that? If we look at this digit 5 and 0, 5 is greater than 0. Let's go on to the next one. We have 43 and 7.1. Is 43 greater or less than 7.1? It is greater. So 43 is greater than 7.1. Why? Because the whole number is 43 and this whole number is 7. So 43 is greater than 7. Let's go on to the next one. We have 8.9 and 0.4. So is 8.9 greater or less than 0.4? 8.9 is greater than 0.4. And that's because we have the 8 and the 0. So 8.9 is greater than 0.4. Let's go on to the next one. We have 75.8 and 0.09. So just by looking at this, again, we have this 75 and we have this 0. Just by looking at the whole number, which is the number before the decimal, we know that 75 is greater than 0. So we'll say that 75.8 is greater than 0.09. Let's go on to the next one. We have 5.03 and 22.8. So again, if we look at the number before the decimal, so here's the decimals. This is the whole number. So that we have 5 and we have 22. So is 5 greater than 22 or less than 22? 5 is less than 22. Let's go on to the next one, the last one. We have 0.37 and 8.4. So if we look at the number before the decimal, we have a 0 and an 8. So we know 8 is greater than 0. So this would be 0.37 is less than 8.4. So again, I want to remind you, this symbol is greater than, and this symbol is less than, and this means equal. And that is all we have for comparing decimals. That's all I have for you today. And remember, for more videos like this, join us on Mondays and Wednesdays. If you have any questions regarding the problems I went over, feel free to ask them on the comments below. And if you have any subject you'd like me to go over, you can go ahead and write them down in the comments as well. Thank you.